The bundle blaster to be utilized. The exchanger must first be removed from its operating position and placed inside of our bundle blaster unit. The removal is completed by the client or another third-party contractor. A vacuum truck is then positioned at the rear of the bundle blaster unit, and the vacuum truck hose is connected to suction out the trough, which will contain any debris washed off the exchanger. This unit allows the operator to clean the shell side of the exchanger within a self-contained unit, removing the need for crews to clean the surrounding area after the exchanger has been cleaned. Once the exchanger is securely positioned in the bundle blaster, the vacuum truck is turned on, and the operator controls the unit using a joystick within the control center to clean the shell side of the exchanger using the high-pressure water jets that are attached to the sides of the bundle blaster. Once the shell side of the exchanger is cleaned, the bundle blaster is shut off, the hose from the vacuum truck is disconnected, and the exchanger can be reinstalled into its operating position. The vacuum truck is then driven to an approved disposal facility to be emptied.